Hello students, in our previous topic of coal and petroleum, we had studied about coal and the products of coal. Now we will come to the next fossil fuel, that is petroleum. You have heard about petrol, diesel and all, they come under petroleum. So petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax. All these are the constituents of petroleum. So we have to separate these constituents. There are various constituents, no? So we have to separate these constituents. So how that is done? By petroleum refining. So the process of separating the various constituents, fractions of petroleum, is known as refining. And where is it carried out? It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. So you can see a petroleum refinery picture here, and you can see these are the various constituents, how they are separated. The various constituents of petroleum, they are separated. So what are the constituents of petroleum? When we see, they are LPG, you know, liquefied petroleum gas, which we use in our kitchen. So it is a petroleum gas which is in liquid form. And where is it used? It is used as fuel for house and industry. Then petrol, you know it very well. It is used in motor fuels, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Then kerosene. It is used as fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles. Heavy motor vehicles like tankers, trucks and all are there, no? Those are heavy motor vehicles. Electric generator also uses diesel. Then lubricating oil. Lubricating oil means you're lubricating something. Like suppose your doors in your house, sometimes it gets jammed. So your parents, you might have seen putting some oil in it or some grease in it. So that is actually lubricating so that it moves easily. So that is how that is why lubrication is done, to make the movement easy of the things which are jammed. So lubricating oil is also a constituent of petroleum. Then paraffin wax. It is used to make ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. Then bitumen. Now in coal we had seen coal tar, which is used for road surfacing, but that's an old one. Nowadays we use bitumen for road surfacing, and bitumen is also used as paints, for paints. So, you get many useful substances from petroleum and also from natural gas. So these are termed as petrochemicals. The substances which you get from petroleum and natural gas, they are termed as petrochemicals, and they are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic. They are also used in the manufacture of polythene and other plastics. Then an important point here, what is black gold? Petroleum is known as black gold. You may get this in 1 mark question and all, or even in higher classes when you GK question. This is a GK question. What is black gold? Petroleum is a black gold. Then hydrogen gas, which is obtained from natural gas. We will be studying natural gas after this. So hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers also. So again, that is a petrochemical. We are talking about petrochemicals. Due to the great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Then again, the thing which is given in a box in your textbook, the world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. So these are the places where you find oil wells in India.